This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the calendar app, then select the date that you would like to create an event on. So I'll go with 26th of May. Then tap at the plus icon or plus button to your bottom right. Choose an event option from the list of reminder, task, and event. And then fill out all the event information, such as its title, time frames, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, members or invitees, people that will also attend the same event, or just simply saying participants. You can also add the link to the video conference, set location, set up your preferred notifications for this event, change the color, add description, or attach a file. Then hit the save button to your top right, and here you have it. Now while looking at the calendar, you can tap at this event, see its details, edit the details, or delete an event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, or at least for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.